This is a Luma Comfort HC12W Cool Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier. I'm going to put the top on it. I filled it with water already. You can see the lights flashing because it's starting to fill up. And it starts right up. And turn it right off. Makes a little sound. It has different sizes here, so you can make it taller or shorter, depending on how tall you want it to come out. So we can turn it on. This one's perfect. My son's bed's kind of tall, so it would work perfect right on the floor. You can choose how much you want to come out. You want it higher or lower. You can also turn it on and off here. I'll turn it up or down. There it goes. Turn it off. I'm going to take this apart and show you. You can also easily put a shorter one on. If you want it shorter, it would be perfect for sitting on top of a small table or something. Or I'll try turning it on and see how that looks. Again, it's kind of a fatter opening, so it lets more air out. Or we can choose tall here. Oops. Take that part off. That one off. This one here, and it goes really tall. That would be really tall for a ground, maybe even put it behind something, some furniture, so it's kind of out of the way but coming out above the furniture. It's really quiet, as you can tell. You can barely hear anything. So that's the Luma Comfort HC12W Cool Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier.